Welcome to the Whissel Way podcast. My name is Kyle Whissel, your host with eXp Realty in San Diego. Today, I have a special guest on the show today. My beautiful little daughter, Miss Nixon. How are you, sweetheart?
Good.
Are you excited for your first time on the podcast?
Yeah.
Or are you nervous?
Nervous.
You're nervous? Don't be nervous. Don't worry, there's only like 10 cameras in here. It's fine. Just ignore them. Just look at Daddy. Guys, the way we typically run this show is if you guys have questions for us, you can always submit them to thewhisselway.com. Brian and I will answer those questions here on the show. Also, if you want to subscribe to the podcast or YouTube channel, you can do that. If you want to join our private Facebook group, email newsletter, or you just want to dive deeper into content creation, all that stuff is at thewhisselway.com. Thewhisselway.com. With that said, we thought we'd have some fun today and that we would ask Nixon some questions about what it would look like if she ran a real estate company. So we want to find out from a 9-year-old's perspective how they would run their real estate company. Are you ready for these?
Yeah.
So one thing that we do, parents, if you guys are watching or listening, is we just have some fun late night conversations where we just ask ChatGPT, like, hey, give me 25 questions about this or 25 questions about that. And it just leads to like some really fun conversations. And so the prompt that I gave it was, give me 50 questions to ask my 9-year-old daughter about what it would look like if she was running my real estate company. Which, by the way, are you going to run this company someday?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe.
Okay. Well, let's talk about being the boss. So if you got to start your own real estate company, what would the name be?
I don't really know.
Would you name it the same thing that Daddy named it, or would you come up with a different name?
The same name.
Would it be like Sephora Realty? No, you'd go with the same name? What about the colors? The colors right now are like orange and gray. Would you keep the colors or would you change them?
I would keep.
You keep them? You like the orange? Okay. What would your job title be as the boss? Would you want everybody to call you boss, or would you want a different name?
The same name that everybody just calls me.
What's that?
Just my name.
You don't want to be called boss? Why not?
Because it just seems weird.
Why is it weird?
I don't know. It just seems weird.
Yeah, okay. If you got to decorate the office, what would it look like?
This.
This? Like this studio right now? Like pink and blue lights everywhere? Oh wait, I got blue lights and you got pink lights. Is that how you designed it? Did Brian let you pick the lights today? So would half the office be pink and half the office be blue?
The blue section would be for the boys and the girls section would be for the girls.
Okay. What if a boy wanted to work in the pink section? Would you let him in? Or do they got to stay on their side?
They have to stay on their side.
Okay.
But I would change the LEDs.
Okay. We could do that. Could there be purple in the middle? Because pink and blue mixed together would be purple. And then the people, they could be in the middle? Okay. We could do that. All right. What would people wear to your office?
Whatever.
Whatever they want? Would they dress like you? Wear baggy pants and baggy hoodies? And some dunks? Is that your favorite outfit right now?
Yes.
Where do you get, for people listening, I don't know if our school wants to hear this, where do you get your oversized hoodies from?
The lost and found. And I just keep them, and if one's too small for me or like too huge that I can't wear to school, then I would just put it back and find one that like still shows the shorts that I have. Because at my school, every time I get an oversized jacket and it goes past my knees, they say you have to go put that back and find a shorter oversized jacket. Because they think that, some people think that if you have too big of a jacket on and it covers your shorts or pants, they think that you're naked underneath.
No, that would not be good at school. We don't want anybody doing that, huh? No. Okay. Definitely not you. All right. What would the rules be at your office?
The rules would be...
Or would there be no rules and people could do whatever they want? No, there would be some rules.
Yeah.
Well, we'll just give me like
It's
one or
not
two.
like the Jordan Matter video where they have no rules and a lot of rules. Like medium rules.
Medium rules? Okay. Is there any specific rules you'd put in place or just be medium rules?
You could get coffee at every hour.
Do you like coffee? Where do you like to get coffee from?
Starbucks.
Do you know what your drink is called?
Yeah.
What is it?
A mocha cookie crumble frappuccino with 2 pumps of vanilla syrup.
You're so your mom's daughter. I love it. What time would people have to show up at your office?
8:30.
8:30. And what time do people get to go home?
4:30.
4:30. Okay, that seems like a reasonable day. All right. What would your company sign look like?
Kind of like that LED right behind you.
Oh, with like the flowers, kind of. Okay, so you'd be orange flowers.
No.
No, it's not gonna be orange, or it's gonna be blue.
It's going to be pink.
It's gonna be pink.
This color pink.
The pink behind you. Okay. So what would the company colors be? All pink, or do you pink and blue?
I would do pink, purple, and that teal.
And some teal, because your papa loves teal. For those who've never met her papa, or as we call him on social media, Pops, how much teal does your papa have in his house?
Like 60% of his house is teal.
Like, tell everybody like all the things that are teal that you can think of.
His walls are teal, his clothes are teal, his shoes are teal, his rings are teal, his pillows are teal, his couch is teal, his hot tub color is teal, the patio couches outside are teal. Basically everything's teal.
He sure loves his teal, huh?
Yeah.
Would your company have a mascot?
Does your company have a mascot?
No, it doesn't have one. But would you want it to have one?
The Sephora logo.
No, the mascot would be like an animal. Like the Aztecs, right? San Diego State Aztecs is their mascot.
What's an Aztecs?
The guy who like runs around with the whole outfit on and blows the horn and all that. You've seen him.
No, I haven't.
No, or the Padres, they have
I know that guy,
Right.
but
the Friar. Would you have a mascot for the company?
Billy.
Billy? What kind of animal would Billy be?
Billy the buffalo.
Billy the Buffalo? Because you're a Buffalo Bills fan? So he'd be our mascot? Okay. I can get down with that. What kind of like fun things would there be to do in your office?
I would add a little mini Sephora room. I would make this room the Sephora room.
So what would you have in your mini Sephora room?
Glow Recipe, Tower 28, Drunk Elephant, Lineage,
So if
Sol de Janeiro.
if somebody worked for your company, would they get to use the Sephora room?
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay. I bet that would make a lot of people want to work here.
Mm-hmm.
Should Daddy add that?
Yes.
And more people want to work for him?
Yes.
Okay. We could do that.
You are?
We could. I don't know. How would you decide how much a house costs? So if you had to come up with
You know how my baskets are like $200 and like $50?
Yeah.
You know how like everything that we buy is like $200 or $50?
Okay.
Like the things that we buy to put in it and like all the stuff that we buy to make it, I would make it be that much money.
You'd base it off how much it actually costs to build it? Yeah. Okay. That works.
Is that what you do?
No, not exactly. We have to look at how much the other houses are selling for in the neighborhood, and then we have to price it kind of similar to how much those ones are selling for.
A bit upper and a bit downer.
Yeah, exactly. What kind of snacks would you have in your office?
Those grandma's vanilla cream cookies.
How many bags of those have you eaten today?
1.
Okay. What other snacks would you have?
Lay's.
Yeah.
Raisins.
Okay.
I love raisins. What? Raisins are the best.
All right.
Fruit snacks.
Okay.
And what do I eat a lot at the house?
What do we eat a lot? Well, your sister eats a lot of muffins.
Yeah, muffins.
Applesauce pouches. Should we have a bunch of those? Okay. All right, we'll hit a few more
Little
questions
muffins.
here. What kind of music would you play in the office?
Country.
Country? Who's your favorite country artists? Or a few of your favorites?
Lainey Wilson, Hardy, Luke Combs, and Morgan Wallen.
Okay. Would you let people bring their pets to the office?
Yeah.
Yeah. Even if they had pet pigs like us? What if Daddy brought one of the pigs to the office?
Please do.
That'd be crazy, huh?
Everybody will be like, there's a pig in the office.
All right. Let's see. Would you have dress up days at the office?
Yes.
What would be one of the dress up days you do?
4th of July dress up.
Yeah. So you go like red, white, and blue.
Easter dress up.
Yeah.
Like all the holiday dress up.
Okay. What do you think would be the best part about being the boss?
Say I'm the boss right now. I can take all of your money that's in that drawer in your office.
What would you spend all the money on?
Sephora and Ulta things.
What do you like at Ulta?
I love their Juicy Bomb lip glosses.
Yeah. Okay.
And I like their nail polish and the Tree Hut.
Okay. How would you convince people to use your company to buy a house? Why would they want to work with your company versus somebody else's?
Because there's a Sephora there, you can bring pets in.
So clients will work with us because of that? Yeah. Guys, it's that easy. Like, if you want to be the best, you just need a Sephora in your office. Or an Ulta. And then people can bring their pets.
Or Zara, or a H&M.
How would you advertise somebody's home for sale to make people want it?
You know how most people like wooden veneer?
Yeah.
I would put a lot of wooden veneer in the houses.
Okay.
Because it looks pretty with white and wooden veneer.
Yeah. And then how would you advertise it so people know that it's for sale?
I would put it on TV.
On TV?
That's how you do it.
Oh, that's how we do it. Put it on TV?
Yes.
Okay. You heard it for a 9-year-old. If you want to sell houses, you just got to put them on TV.
It's that simple.
All right. Before we finish the show, are there any questions you want to ask your daddy on the podcast? Oh, yeah. We're going to hand over the chat GPT for you. Okay. So again, we're interviewing my 9-year-old daughter, and we're doing what we do at home all the time, which is we just chat GPT random questions to ask each other. So how about you just pick like 2 or 3 questions?
Okay.
Okay.
What do you like most about working in real estate?
What I like most about working in real estate, I really like helping people find a home. Yeah, especially people buying their first home or buying their dream home. It's really fun to see how excited people get. Because I remember when I bought my first home, and it was one of the coolest experiences of my life. And so it's fun to get to.
So that's how you got to want to be a real estate agent?
I got into real estate because we were investing and flipping houses. So we were buying them and fixing them up and selling them. So that's how I started before I got my license. But then I really like helping people to find their home or to sell their home.
Okay. What kind of houses do most people want?
Most people want, I guess there's 2. Some people want older homes that were built.
In the 1970s?
Those are the homes they don't want. So there was an era, they liked them up until like 1960, and then like after 2000. Everything from like 1960 to 2000 are the harder homes to sell. Those people want the really old homes or the really new.
What about the 18th centuries?
Oh, we don't have any of those in San Diego. San Diego's
Then why don't you build some?
Well, we can't go back in time. You got a DeLorean so we can build them? In Buffalo, though, there's homes from the 1800s.
There is?
Yeah, Buffalo's a lot older than San Diego. In Charleston, there's homes from like the 16 or 1700s.
That's cool.
Yeah. Okay, one more question. Pick a good one.
Keep talking while I scroll.
All right, I'll keep talking while you scroll. We'll finish this thing strong. So she gets to ask one more question about Daddy's job. Huh? Oh, okay. We're going to call an audible here. Let's talk, as we finish the show, the last thing we're going to talk about. Let's talk about your little business that you started this year. How did you decide on the name for your business? Or do you want to talk about what your business is first?
Yeah.
What is your business?
I sell like little gift baskets that have stuff that like relate to the holidays.
Okay. Which holidays have you done so far?
I've done St. Patrick's Day and Easter, and soon we're going to be doing 4th of July.
Okay. And then how did you come up with the name of your company? Well, what is the name?
Sweet Surprise Sisters.
And how did you decide on that name?
I didn't.
Who did?
ChatGPT.
Okay.
And I just thought the name was really cute.
Yeah.
Because me and Remy are sisters.
Okay. So you guys run the
We're
business
sweet,
together.
We're sweet, but she's not that sweet.
And you always surprise us. Okay. And then how does it work if somebody wants to buy baskets from your company?
So if someone wants to buy baskets from our company, they text him.
Or they go to your...
They go to my website.
Yeah.
And order a basket and put in an order, and then it sends it to my dad.
Ah, okay. How many baskets do you normally sell?
20.
Yeah. And then what do you do with all the money you make from your business?
Spend it at Sephora.
Shocker. You guys might notice a little trend here that's where all of her money goes. But look at this skin. I mean, have you ever seen better skin on a 9-year-old? I mean, gosh, you got to have perfect skin.
I use Glow Recipe, so that's why.
Is that why you're shining right now? You look beautiful,
I
honey.
didn't use it today.
Not today?
Not today.
Oh, okay. Awesome, guys. Well, hopefully you had as much fun with this episode as I did. If you guys enjoyed the show, if you're watching on YouTube, hit the thumbs up button. Let YouTube know that you enjoyed the show. If you have questions, throw them in the comments section. If you want more of our content, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. And if you are listening on a podcast platform, make sure to subscribe to the show. And if you can hook us up with a little review, just a sentence or two means the world to us, really helps spread the word about the podcast. With that said, thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you to my beautiful guest host today. And if you want to stay connected, you can always connect with me on Instagram at Kyle Whissel. Thanks so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.